Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to stake your Polygon MATIC quickly and securely using a Lender hardware wallet. Let's get started. First, make sure your Lender device is set up and updated with the latest firmware. Connect to your computer and unlock it within your PIN. Open Lender Lab and navigate to the Manager tab. Here, install the Polygon MATIC or app onto Lender device. This allows your lender to interact with Polygon within the app's and staking platform. Next, you will need to choose a staking platform. Polygon uses a delegated proof of stake system. You'll stake through a validator. Popular options include the official Polygon staking dashboard or trusted platforms like Figment or Stakefish. Open your web browser and go to the staking platform of your choice. Connect your lender wallet by selecting the Connect Hardware Wallet option and choosing lender. Make sure your lender is unlocked and the Polygon apps is open. Once connected, you will see MATIC balance. Select a validator with a good track record. Look for low fees, high uptime, and solid reputation. Delegate your MATIC to a validator by following the on-screen prompts. You will need to confirm the transaction directly on your lender app. After staking, you will start earning rewards. You can track your stake balance in rewards through the staking platform or lender live. Pro tip: keep a small amount of MATIC unstaked to cover future transaction fees. And that's it. You've just staked your MATIC securely with your Lender wallet. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.